Legendary Entertainment.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming back. I will be showing you how to make plantain stuffed cups. For the stuffing, I will be using a can of ackee, and this is ackee from Jamaica. And I also will be using saltfish. So I'm going to be using ackee and saltfish. And ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. Okay, so I have a can ackee here. Over here I have some liver stripped, cleaned, washed, and seasoned properly. And this is cow liver, okay? And I've stripped it because you know the liver comes with a little thin strip. You have to take that off. So I took that off and I cleaned the liver with lime and vinegar and I season it, okay? Over here, now I have my chopped bell pepper, okay? And I have my chopped onion, I have thyme, and I have my spice. I have bay leaf here, and I have scotch bonnet pepper, along with some chopped garlic, and I have chopped ginger as well. Over here is my spring onions, chopped finely, and I have my 2 green plantains that I will be using. Okay, and this is the saltfish, and I will put the saltfish to boil. So here I've put the saltfish on the fire to boil, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze lemon into the saltfish because lemon juice will cut the salt away from the saltfish. So here I am squeezing half of lemon, and I'm also going to be adding some vinegar to my saltfish, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar to my saltfish, and that will help to cut the salt away from it. Alright, so I'm going to leave the saltfish to boil. I will now go ahead and start peeling the green plantain, and I've already washed them, as you can see. Now I'm going to be cutting the plantains about 2 inches. So this is about, 2 inches. Sprinkle just a little bit of salt. Here I'm pouring oil to the pot. Now that the oil is ready, I'm going to go ahead and add the plantains to the hot oil. Here I'm pouring oil to burn my sugar for the liver. So once the sugar is burned, I'm going to go ahead now and add the liver to the pot. Here I have my lemon squeezer, and you can use a lemon squeezer to form the planting cups, or you can get yourself a planting cup tool, which is this right here. Yes, I love this so much. Yes guys, and if you don't have a lemon squeezer or a planting cup tool, then you can also use a cupcake thin to form the planting cup. The canned ackee is already cooked, so I'm going to pour some hot water over it, and then I'm going to cover the pot and let the ackee steam for a bit. you.